If CapCut is giving you an initialization error, don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you the fastest fixes, step by step. This is a very common problem, and in many cases, it happens because of permission issues, corrupted user data, or outdated graphics drivers. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to get CapCut opening properly again. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech fixes like this. Alright, let's get into it. The first thing you should try is running CapCut as an administrator. This is one of the easiest fixes, and it often solves the problem right away. To do this, go to your desktop or find the CapCut shortcut in your Start menu, then right-click on the CapCut icon. From the menu, select Run as Administrator. If CapCut opens normally after doing this, then the issue was most likely related to permissions. In that case, you can keep using it this way whenever you launch the app. If you want, you can also set it to always run as administrator by opening the shortcut's properties and adjusting the compatibility settings, but for now, just test it first with a manual admin launch. If that doesn't fix the initialization error, the next step is to clear corrupted user data. This is a very important step because CapCut can sometimes get stuck during startup if its cache or platform files are damaged. Don't worry, this does not delete your actual projects, but it can reset some app settings. First, make sure CapCut is fully closed. If it is open in the background, close it completely, then press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. This opens the Run dialog box. In the box, type %local app data%, then press Enter. A File Explorer window should open to your local app data folder. Now look for the CapCut folder and open it. Inside that, find the User Data folder. Open User Data, and you should see folders like Platform and Cache. Delete both the Platform folder and the Cache folder. Once those are removed, close File Explorer and restart CapCut. The app will rebuild those files when it launches again, and in many cases that clears the initialization error immediately. Now, if CapCut still refuses to start, the next thing to check is your graphics drivers. Outdated GPU drivers are one of the most common causes of startup problems, especially after a software update. CapCut depends heavily on your graphics hardware, so if the drivers are too old or buggy, the app may fail during initialization. If you have an NVIDIA graphics card, open GeForce Experience, go to the Drivers tab, and click Check for updates. If an update is available, download and install it, then restart your computer. If you use AMD or Intel graphics, open their driver update utility, or go directly to the official support site and make sure you're on the latest version. After updating, launch CapCut again and test it. If the error is still happening, it's a good idea to reboot your PC and try CapCut again before moving on to anything more advanced. Sometimes the simplest restart can clear temporary conflicts that keep the app from initializing. Also, make sure Windows itself is fully updated, because system updates can include important compatibility fixes. So to quickly recap, the main fixes for the CapCut initialization error are: run the app as administrator, clear the platform and cache folders inside user data, and update your graphics drivers. In most cases, one of these steps will solve the problem and get CapCut working again. If this tutorial helped you fix the error, please give the video a like and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and software tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.